Understanding Break the Law, a guide for English learners. Hello, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to delve into the phrase, break the law. It's a common expression you might have heard in movies, news, or in everyday conversations. We'll explore what it means, how to use it, and we'll look at some examples. So, let's get started and break down this phrase together. When someone says, break the law, they are referring to doing something that is against the legal rules. Laws are the system of rules that a particular country or community recognizes as regulating the actions of its members. To break these laws means to act in a way that is prohibited by them. It's important to understand that this phrase carries a negative connotation, as it implies an action that is wrong or illegal. The phrase can be used in various contexts. It is often used to talk about criminal activities, such as theft, but it can also refer to less serious violations like jaywalking. Here are a few examples. If you drive faster than the speed limit, you are breaking the law. She knew that stealing was breaking the law, but she did it anyway. Remember, the phrase is versatile and can be adjusted to fit different tenses and grammatical structures. Understanding the phrase also means being aware of the consequences. Breaking the law can lead to various penalties, such as fines, imprisonment, or community service. The severity of the consequence often depends on how serious the law that was broken is. There are other ways to express the same idea. For example, violate the law. This is more formal and is often used in legal contexts. Commit a crime. This is used when referring to a specific illegal act. We hope this video has shed light on what it means to break the law. Remember, while the phrase might sound cool in movies, in real life, it's a serious matter with real consequences. Stay informed and make good choices. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful content. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.